Learn how to revamp your kitchen with these 6 stunning decor ideas. From warm touches to contemporary minimalism, these ideas add flair and usefulness to any kitchen. 1. In this sleek, modern kitchen, black cabinetry and a matte island create a sophisticated look. The spacious layout, elegant dining area, and integrated lighting offer both functionality and style. Ideal for those seeking a contemporary and minimal design, this kitchen is perfect for culinary creativity and intimate gatherings alike. 2. This luxurious kitchen boasts a striking marble countertop and rich wood cabinetry adorned with gold accents. A grand chandelier adds elegance, illuminating the refined space. Ideal for those who appreciate timeless sophistication, this design blends warmth and luxury, creating a perfect setting for both cooking and entertaining in style. 3. This modern kitchen combines sleek cabinetry with a stunning marble island and backsplash, highlighted by pendant lights. Gold fixtures add a touch of luxury, while the open layout and neutral tones create a welcoming ambience, perfect for those who enjoy a refined, sophisticated space that balances function and style seamlessly. 4. This kitchen showcases a stunning marble island and backsplash, highlighted by warm undercabinet lighting and brass fixtures. Gold pendant lights add a touch of glamour, while neutral tones maintain a serene atmosphere, perfect for modern living. This space balances elegance and functionality, making it ideal for culinary enthusiasts and gatherings. 5. This kitchen merges sleek marble surfaces with towering glass accents, creating a luxurious, airy ambience. Natural light floods in through large windows, emphasizing the elegance of the design. Chrome pendant lights add sophistication, while minimalistic cabinetry keeps the look clean and uncluttered, a perfect blend of style and function. 6. This kitchen offers sleek, minimalist elegance with a breathtaking ocean view. The glossy white cabinets and modern lighting create a bright, airy feel. Floor-to-ceiling windows frame the sea, inviting natural light and serenity into the space. Perfect for relaxation, with contemporary finishes that enhance its coastal charm. Thanks for watching. We hope these kitchen decor ideas inspired you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more design tips and trends.